What's going on, everybody? This is D Card Lady coming at you. Welcome back. We're here with episode 6 of Attraction Marketing Formula, in-depth explanation for beginners. Now, this is a 6-part series, so of course, if you didn't catch 1 through 5, you definitely want to catch 1 through 5. All right, I have some links down below so you can get caught up on that. And what we're doing in this series is we're really going in depth with helping you guys understand attraction marketing and really breaking it down to a very simple 3-step formula. All right, now I know you're like, well, D, why is it 6 videos? Because I wanted to make sure it was thorough. Okay, and in here I'm really taking it from the viewpoint of a beginner, because a lot of us, a lot of people are just starting. I know back when I was just starting, just a couple of years ago, I would have loved to have had this training, this breakdown, so that I could really understand and start crushing it instead of spending all that time losing like I did at the beginning. But it's all good. We're here now, baby, and you got me, so I'm bringing it to you. So as you go through this, all right, you're going to see that I'm really breaking it down into bite-sized pieces so that you can really understand. All right, now if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. All right, my channel is all about the 3 M's of entrepreneurship. That is the mindset. That's key. All right, the marketing and the multiple streams of income, because it's all about showing you guys how to market, everything that you need to do to put some moolah in your pocket. So if that is sounding good to your ears, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. All right, and let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so what you're about to see is a live one-on-one coaching session that I did with one of my coaching teammates, Donna. And I wanted to do it this way to kind of bring it to you guys from a beginner's viewpoint. And on this particular episode, we're going to wrap everything up. This is part 6. We're going to wrap everything up and basically give you guys the glue that you need to make all of these parts work, right? To make the whole 6 parts work. So this is quite possibly one of the most important episodes that you're going to watch in this Attraction Marketing Formula series. So what you're going to see is the importance of having that glue, aka a system. All right, because if you don't have a system in place to put all these things together, everything is going to basically kind of like crumble apart, and it's not going to be effective for you, right? I've seen it time and time again. Trust me, guys, when I first got started, it happened to me. I didn't have a system. I had a bit of this, a bit of that, a bit of this. This was just wrong, right? All that type of stuff, right? And it was a struggle when I first got started because of that. But now I'm crushing it. My teammates are crushing it, and it is because all of the steps that I told you guys, 1 through 6, and this one right here is the one that really puts the glue to it, letting you know about the system that really makes this come home and actually work for you. So definitely let's check it out as Donna and I discuss the system that you need to really put this attraction marketing formula together. So let's dive into it.
That's why they call it a system.
Right, you got exactly. That's why it's a system, because systems can be duplicated.
Yeah.
Right? You can duplicate systems, but trying to duplicate a person, right? Do you know why? And let's get to this real quick. You know why when I first started online? Well, actually, that's when I started making money, right? When I started making money, my team won't make no money. You know why? Because they couldn't duplicate me. I didn't have a system. I told people, look, I was doing a whole bunch of stuff. I was doing YouTube. I was doing Facebook. I was doing Instagram. I was doing emails. I did a tad bit of solo ads, right? I even did some what's them things, them lists that you like get clicks off of it. Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called now, but I forgot what it's called. But it's like some lists, email lists or something. It's some lists. Anyway, some list things. I even did some of that. I'm doing this.
Oh God.
This.
That's me, right?
Trying to figure it out. But how many people can duplicate this when they still got a job? Hell, I couldn't even duplicate that, and I didn't have a job.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was making sales,
right,
working really hard, but I was making sales. But how many of my team was making sales?
Yeah.
You want me to tell you about how many sales that I know of that my team made, like let's say an easy one up, for example, because that was, my high ticket opportunity. I know this person made about, I know I got a pass up from that person. So this person made about generated about 500, that person. Then this other person probably generated about this. So less than 1,000, guaranteed, less than $1,000 from my whole downline. And I got a pretty big downline in Easy One Up. Wow. And yeah, of course, some people are just not going to do the work, right? I get that. But less than 1,000, your whole downline, who duplicating? Ain't nobody duplicating. Yeah. I had no system for them to duplicate. I wasn't given a system to duplicate.
Yeah.
So I had to go out and do all these things, right? So when you have a system, it's duplicatable, and you have people have the opportunity to succeed a lot better.
So now I think I can conquer Facebook. I'll have a lot more. I'll be a lot better at it, I think.
You will be a lot better.
Yeah.
It's time of doing it, repetition, but it don't take forever. It don't take you, and because now that you have some clarity, it's just a matter of you sitting down and doing it. And now that DMO will make more sense to you. The daily method of operation that we get in our 10 steps will make more sense to you. So now you're like, okay, I don't know what I should do today. Let me just hit that DMO, because that DMO is going to cover the building Excel. Let me just hit that DMO. Let me hit it. Beep, 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 beep.
And the Facebook Live.
Mm-hmm.
It is so pleasant now just to get things off your chest, right, wrong, and different. You just to say it and come back with an answer makes it's sort of kind of a freedom, Yeah,
liberating. Yes.
Really is. It really is. There was a time you didn't say anything until you really found out what it was all about. Now you can just cut to the chase, just get it out there.
Cut to the chase. We get to it.
Listen, thank you so much. Thank you for taking this time with me. Thank you so much. I appreciate
all of you guys who showed up and showed us some support, showed Ms. Donna some support. I appreciate you for allowing me to stream this.
Thank you.
All of our folk here, help all of our friends. These are family here. Well, all right, guys. Now you see that truly having a system, specifically the system that we were talking about is the My Lead System Pro system, or better known as MLSP. Okay, and you've heard me talk about that throughout this series, because that is the system we use to really put all this together and have that glue. And I'm glad that you have finished all of this series here, so that you really understand the parts that you were missing, and now you have them. It's like, once I was lost, but now I'm found. Okay, that's really not a song, but whatever. I felt like doing it. But really, guys, seriously. All right, so that system, you guys have heard me reference it before. I've done other videos on that system. I'll make sure I put a link down there below as well, so you can check out some of my other videos I've done on My Lead System Pro, so you can check that out as well. Because it truly is this system that has allowed us to do this attraction marketing formula to a T, and allowed me to be able to attract leads to me and really crush it in my business, hit leaderboards in multiple businesses, okay, hit leaderboards multiple times using all of these steps along with that system. Because at the end of the day, guys, if you're not bringing that high value content, and if you don't have the ongoing support that you need in your business, it's going to be very difficult for you, honestly, right? So with the My Lead System Pro system that we use, right, to do this attraction marketing formula, it provides all of that. Because at the end of the day, it's like, if you're out here trying to do all of this stuff on your own, right, without a system, like, you're pretty much dead in the water, right? We can't duplicate people, but we can definitely duplicate systems. Remember that. I don't know who's saying that is, but I like it, so I'm using it. All right, so what you're going to see is the first link in the description. You can go ahead and crush that link. You can find out about the system. And also, that is the way that you'll be able to work with me, because I want to work with you, right? I want to work with you alongside with you. And within the next 30 days, my goal is to, obviously, I want to work with you, for the long haul. But my goal is, for you to be able to start seeing some clarity in your business, and for you to start getting some leads and even sales in your business within the next 30 days. So this is go time. All right. This is not play time. This is go time. So if you are ready to level up in your business, right, and you want to work with me, crush that first link in the description. All right. Now, if for some reason you have missed the other videos, maybe you're catching this one out of order, that's okay. Don't cry. It's cool, because I make sure that it'll be either in the end screen here, or it'll be down below, but there'll be some links to the other videos that I've done in this particular series, this attraction marketing formula series, because it's a 6-part series, 6 episodes, right? So I want to make sure that you catch them all, because you really want to catch them all in order, so that way, because everything builds upon each other, so that way you get everything that you need. So crush that first link in the description to work with me. If you have found some value from this video on the attraction marketing formula, please do like the video, share it out to your friends so that way they can get this information as well. And definitely, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, baby. Show me some love, and you already know what to do now. What to do. Crush that bell, baby. All right, so you can be alerted next time I bring you guys some content, because I'm definitely bringing you something fresh every single week. All right, other than that, you already know. This is D Car Lady, baby, and what we gonna do, we gonna take this ride to the top, baby. All right, I'm feeling it tonight. All right, and that man.